UCM President YK Dhiren has pointed out that security lapses resulted to unprovoked firing by Kuki militants at Torbung, Phagokchau, Ikai. He has also demanded action against security forces who were posted at peripheral areas on the night of the incident. YK Dhiren was speaking on the sideline of a discussion program which was held on the topic Manipur crisis and beyond, the way forward, a futuristic exercise at Hotel Imphal today. The program was held as a part of year-long Jubilee observance of UCM. While condemning the firing incident, YK Dhiren alleged the negligence on the part of security forces who were guarding the peripheral areas of Bishnupur and Churachandpur. He termed the attack as an attempt to disturb peace and derail resettlement process in the state, while also asserting that no community has the right to prevent anyone from living at their homes. Former Dean of
Torbung Musung, Lady Babachau, Ikaya, Siki, Chusanbu, district, Tainariba, Iriba, Siki, Juncture, the Gashi Shida, I go centrally to a paramilitary force of army. She could have Kangana, Lady deployed to the Lady Bomofom. High river deployed to the Lady Bomofom Shida, meter. Yakai Samaki Manundaki, Tongan sophisticated way, Kulai Kapsula Ekoi Miam, the Mission Miams in the Kian Kanganba, one momentum the Lady was central state, forcing in a Kaikumba, Makani action of Pokum the Bible said, but she am the life of Kivani, was strongly condemned the one point, Aduna, high river, jurisdiction shida, deployed to river, Adulaba, paramilitary force Poiro. Army Poiro to one belay, forces in Mataka, Makoi over negligence or duty the Chindaba, Adulaba, Duki the Mutamukoida, Lopam Topa, Adulaba, action sing a dog, Makoi Logo the Mani have said, a United Committee Manipur now. Comes again.